In today's video, we're diving into the best AppLock apps for Android that can help you secure your personal data and keep your apps private. If you're looking to enhance your privacy on your device, stay tuned as we explore these fantastic options. AppLock Android. AppLock Android is a straightforward and efficient application designed to protect your apps with a passcode or pattern lock. It allows users to set up security for individual apps, ensuring that sensitive information remains private. The app features a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and customize security settings. Additionally, AppLock Android offers a fake cover option, which presents a decoy lock screen for intruders, thus safeguarding your privacy even further. This app is ideal for anyone looking for a reliable way to keep unwanted eyes away from their personal apps. AppLock SafeLock for apps. AppLock SafeLock for apps is a robust security application that provides comprehensive app locking features. Users can lock specific apps, photos, and videos to prevent unauthorized access. The app also supports customizable themes and allows users to take a photo of anyone attempting to unlock a secured app incorrectly. With features like automatic lock based on Wi-Fi connection and an emergency password recovery option, AppLock SafeLock offers enhanced security and convenience. This app is perfect for those seeking a more personalized security solution for their sensitive data. Fingerprint AppLock Lock Apps. Fingerprint AppLock Lock apps take security to the next level by allowing users to secure their applications using fingerprint recognition. This app is particularly beneficial for devices with fingerprint sensors, providing quick and convenient access while maintaining high security. Users can lock specific apps, safeguard private photos, and customize their lock settings. The app also includes features like intruder alerts, which notify you when someone tries to access your locked apps. Fingerprint AppLock is perfect for users who prioritize ease of use without compromising on security. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of AppLock Android, AppLock SafeLock for apps, and Fingerprint AppLock helps you find the perfect solution to keep your apps secure. Until next time, stay safe and secure.